Hello, I'm Nelson Holzapfel. Me llamo Nelson Holzapfel. I am from Chile, yo soy de Chile, and I'm living here in Bowling Green with my wife. So I've been here since '97, and first arrived in Murray, Kentucky, where I got a master's degree in occupational safety. Then I moved to Hopkinsville, where I worked for a company, Grupo Antolin, which is a Spanish company, for 19 years, and then I moved to Bowling Green. Chile is in South America. It's a very long country, probably is 3,000 miles long, but it's very stretched. There is a point that is only 100 is a mile only between the ocean and the mountains. It's in the south of Peru and behind Argentina. The population is around 18 million people. Most of the people is in Santiago, which is 6 million and a half people living just in that city. The country, the north is very dry. There is a desert that is called Atacama, which is the driest desert or part of the world, no rain, nothing. Then you go to the south, which is very nice. It's a very beautiful part of the country with forests, lakes, you can do everything. Then you go all the way to the Antarctica. The main thing that Chile produces is copper. I think it's the high country that produces copper. Also we have wine. We have many fruits, and the thing is that when here in the north is winter, in the south is the summer. So we have all the fruit that you have in the summer here, you have it in Chile. So sometimes you will see grapes, peaches, apples from Chile. That's the advantage to be in the south. And we also have a lot of fish, seafood, the wine, and good meat. I like Chile because the connection with the family connected, and very friend connected. We're open, our homes are open to everybody, strangers, everybody. That's the main thing about the people in Chile. It's very friendly and open. In Chile, in 1973, there was a coup, very bad coup, that changed the whole schema of Chile. With a political issue, people start dividing. You are against me or you are not part of me. And it was also inside of the families and the friends. And it went so bad that it has been almost 40 or 50 years since that happened, and still there is that. So we always say, nunca más, never again. I hope that people here think about that